In today's Chef Hack series, I'll show you the art of cold dough fermentation to create delicious and on-trend pizzas. Fermented foods have become a real trend recently thanks to their unique flavour and health benefits. With pizza, using cold fermented dough is one of the little known secrets to achieving a unique flavour and texture and elevating your pizza to the next level. Depending upon the temperature the dough is fermented at, you can achieve different fermentation flavours. This process of lowering the temperature of your pizza dough is essentially what is involved in cold fermentation. By lowering the heat during fermentation, you're slowing down the pace at which the yeast consumes your dough. This will result in rich and more complex flavour profiles that will make your dough taste amazing. And making it is fairly simple. Prepare your pizza dough as per the recipe using good quality ingredients: yeast, water, flour and a little olive oil. Once the dough is ready, cover it and store it in the fridge for at least 24 hours to achieve that unique flavour that you will get from cold fermentation. If you have a cool room or cold basement, the best temperature to cold ferment pizza dough is roughly 15 to 18 degrees. You can store it longer than 24 hours to develop a stronger flavour. Remove, roll out and have your delicious sauce and toppings ready to go with it. I recommend carrying through the concept of cold fermentation into your pizza toppings by creating a fermented garlic confit and honey pizza, which is really on trend at the moment. And don't forget to let your diners know about your cold fermented pizza dough by calling out on your menu.